Welcome to the channel. I just finished cabbing up all of these pieces of turquoise. In this video, we're going to walk you through from rough stone to finished cab, the entire process. This is one that we've set into a sterling silver setting. It will be dropped on our social media for someone to find, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, watch from start to finish as we cab this turquoise. Thanks so much for supporting the channel. Well, here they are in their rough Campitos Turquoise. I bought this from Lapidary Dave a couple weeks ago. He was in quartzite. I've rubbed a little bit there to get the color. So I'm going to go ahead and prep this stuff, and then we're going to turn him into some cabs. So here we go. Turquoise. This would be the first time that I will start to finish cab or prep and cab turquoise. Enjoy the video. So here are all the sliced up pieces from that turquoise rough. We're gonna go ahead and mix up some epoxy, steel epoxy, and coat all the back of these things to stabilize them. And after we've got this done, then we're gonna hit the cabbing wheels. All right, we've got dopped up. I've turned two, or not turned, but I've shaped two so far. We're gonna go ahead and go through the process. I'll shape all these up. I'm not sure how many I'll shape up on camera, but we'll shape all these up. When we're done, we'll show all the finished products, but we'll just go ahead. I've been impressed so far with the turquoise I've got. It's really done it's nice and hard. It's nice stuff. It's a nice pretty blue too. So we're gonna go ahead and get us a rough shape around the outside. Then we'll dome it up. Quite a bit of junk to get rid of there. Alright, I'm going to go ahead. This is going to come off. I'm going to just slice that real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, and we can get more into the shape that we want. Alright, that's pretty close to an oval. I got Couple of spots that are sticking out where I don't want them to, so we'll just take those. And that looks pretty good, so let's go ahead and start rolling this across. And it's not rolling it, I'm just trying to knock the high spots off, those outsides, and then I'm going to knock off the corners of it. Down to an even straight girdle. And knock a little bit more out of there, and then we're ready to roll it and move to the next wheel. Not going to take much rolling here. Get a little bit of a pit right there that we've got to get down to. I got plenty of material to get it down where I want it. Such a pretty blue. Really nice. Should have bought a lot more of this. Never worked it before. Never seen it. But I'm impressed so far. It's pretty sure I told you it's Campitos. It comes out of Sonora, Mexico. Going to be headed to Tucson here in a week. Might have to see if one of the dealers down there has some more of this stuff. I like the matrix in it. I like the blue of it. Okay, that one's, looks like I got a little bit of a flat spot there. Let's address that. There's a bump right there and a bump right there. Okay, that looks better. Don't see much else. Looks out of whack, so we'll go ahead and shift on over. This won't take long on this wheel, but we'll set our girdle angle here. First. Keep that thing moving so that we don't end up with a flat spot. And then we can go ahead and roll. Get rid of some of those big grooves and scratches and make sure my dome is even. That's pretty much there. I got a little bit of a thicker spot right there. Looks like the girdle's pretty consistent all the way around, so we're ready to move to the next. All right. Polish the outside. Get that corner just a touch, not corner, edge on that girdle just to break that and ease it. I don't want to roll it over, but I don't want to have a real sharp edge there. So, and now we're getting rid of all the sharp facets. These Nova wheels are flexible, so we're pushing in on it, and it is removing all the edges and smoothing it out. Keep it moving. I don't want to stop. And then I'm going to feel it. Boy, that feels good. I've got a spot here. Need some dressing. And that looks good enough to move to the next wheel. So now we're into the polishing. We're done shaping. So this wheel will take a little bit off, especially on some softer materials. It's a 600 grit. So I don't want to stop moving this thing while I'm going around, but it's not going to take it off real fast. So the other three wheels, they can remove material on the softer stones pretty darn quick. So we got to watch them a little closer. Here we're just rolling it, keeping it moving, getting rid of all the scratches from the previous wheels. And that's pretty. That's pretty. I like that. All right, let's move over to the next one. Polish this outside edge, and now we're strictly into the polish. This is, what is this thing? 1200 grit? Can't ever remember what these things are, but yeah, it's 1200 grit. Next will be 3000 grit. That's looking good. Looking good. Ready for the final 3000, and yeah, this will be nice. We'll set this stuff in some silver. Have to figure out, design some settings and get those built. And then these pieces will be hitting our drops when I'm all said and done with them. And you live in eastern Idaho, or you know people that live in eastern Idaho, then you definitely want to follow our social medias so that when we put these things out into the community, you got a chance to go find them. Usually do about one drop a month is what we've been averaging. Sometimes we do two, but anyway, this is looking done. Looking finished and completed. Wow. Look at that blue. That just is really pretty. Anyway, that's the process. I'm going to go ahead and shape the rest of them. When I'm done, we'll just take pictures of all of them together, and yeah, and we'll just have a little reveal toward at the end of this video where you guys can see them all. Anyway, I hope that you've appreciated this. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up so the algorithm can get her out there, and other people who are interested in this will be recommended for these videos. Anyway, appreciate you guys. Appreciate you watching. So these are all cabbed up and polished. My nice little turquoise bouquet. Gonna get them off the dop sticks and then see if we can get some great pictures of them for you.